These cookies taste just like a birthday cake, and they're even made with a box of Funfetti cake mix. 4 ingredients, about 20 minutes, and they're ready to party. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today I'm showing you how to make Funfetti cake mix birthday cake cookies. These are my favorite way to turn a simple box of cake mix into something totally celebration worthy. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. This recipe is so super simple. You're not gonna believe it. So it starts with a box of Funfetti cake mix. I'm just going to get that entire package into our bowl. There we go. I just love Funfetti cake mix. The colors are just so festive. So we have that. Now, if you don't have Funfetti cake mix, just use a box of white cake mix and add some rainbow Jimmy sprinkles in there. Same thing. All right, so we have our cake mix. We're going to add a couple of eggs. Get those in there. All right, 2 eggs. Perfect. And some vegetable oil. That's all she wrote, folks. That is it. We're going to get this mixed up and then we're going to form our cookies. Okay, so our mixture is pretty thick here. Okay, I'm just trying to get all that off the beaters. We are all done. These get set aside for later. They're a snack. Now, I'm gonna take my spatula and just kind of run it along the bottom just to make sure there's no dry cake mix left in the bowl. And I think we're pretty good. The mixer got everything beautifully. So it should be nice and thick like that, like a cookie dough, not a cake batter, which is exactly what we're looking for. All right, I am going to clean this all up and we are going to get these onto our cookie sheets. Okay, so we have our cookie dough here. And I have a cookie scoop. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can easily use a tablespoon to get your cookies onto the cookie sheet. I've also lined my rimmed baking sheet with some parchment paper just to make cleanup easy and so I know that they won't stick, in fact. So I'm going to take an even scoop of the dough and right onto our sheet. Now you want to make sure that they do turn out pretty round. You don't want any odd shapes on there. And they are going to spread a little bit, so I don't like to put them too close together. Okay, so I can get about 8 onto this cookie sheet. I'm going to get another one and we will finish scooping out our dough. Okay, cookies are scooped out. I'm gonna pop them into a preheated oven, 350 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so our cookies are out of the oven. I just need to get them transferred to a cooling rack. Let me get my trays out of the way and then we're gonna get those kisses put in. Okay, so these have cooled just a minute, just to take that little edge off. And I'm going to take some birthday cake kisses. Actually, these might even be sugar cookie. You can use any type you can find. If you can't find the birthday cake one, it's fine. They have all different kinds out now. And we're literally just going to nestle them right into the center of each cookie. But these have like little sprinkles inside of the cookie, or inside of the kiss, to match with the sprinkles inside of the Funfetti cookies. They're just perfect and so festive. But you want to do this while they're warm, just not screaming hot, because the kisses will sit in there. They nestle in so nicely. All right, that's all she wrote. Now we just need to wait a little bit till these cool. That's the hard part. Then we can go in and take a bite. I cannot wait to take a bite of these cookies. I'm going in, this one right here. Oh. The texture is so good. The cake mix just gives it a soft, just a soft cookie texture. It's perfect. These Funfetti cake mix birthday cake cookies are definitely a keeper. They're easy, fun, and always a crowd favorite. Make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. If you love easy dessert hacks like this one, check out my sprinkle sugar cookies next. It's just as simple and over the top delicious. Click right here and I will see you over there.